Hello and Yassou everybody, this is Andonis, the Greek island guru, straight from the beautiful island of Aegina. So guys, for whoever is interested in visiting the Greek islands this summer, I'm going to be uploading essential travel information updates related to the COVID-19 lockdown. Alright, so let's see what's happening right now. At the small port of Aegina, little is going on. What I'm showing you here are the promenades. This promenade with a yellow ramp is the one where the flying dolphins dock at least 10 times a day, but as you can see, it has been empty for the entire past month. Like most islands, the lockdown has limited ferries to just one per day, bringing supplies and the people who can prove the commute for work. Other than that, visitors are not allowed to the Greek islands, not even Athenians or other Greeks who own summer houses here. Since the lockdown, only people who can prove that their principal residency is on the islands can be on the islands. As you can see, the cities are empty, the ports are empty. Look, no sailing boats, no cruisers. Have a look at this. Empty cities, no tourists, and also very few people from Athens are here. So, if you're somewhere in the US or anywhere else in the world, don't be sad that you cannot visit the islands, because you know what? Even we Greeks cannot do that. Now, regarding the latest news coming out of the government, it seems that the situation will continue for the entire month of May. Experts are evaluating the situation day by day, and it looks like the island connections will reopen starting in June. More than that, I read yesterday that the plan is for ferries to run at only 50% capacity. For those of you watching this now and wondering when you can possibly visit our charming country, then I believe that your best bet would be July onwards. Note that COVID pandemic has been very much under control in Greece since the beginning, as the authorities have performed an excellent job to contain the spread right from the get-go, something that has made all of us incredibly proud. That's it, my friends. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned because I will be doing more of these updates. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any info and you help others reach my content. Make sure also to check out my new website, GreekIslandGuru.com, where I'm posting travel tips, practical information, as well as booking options. Thank you for watching, and Yassou from Aegina.